morning. I'm MJ Balaguer of DCMJ Online. My first question is for the BPI. For this 25 years anniversary ng Likha Central Luzon Trade Fair, what is the difference po kung i-compare natin from the previous year, your preparation and yung mga trade exhibit po? That's my first question.
On your first question, ano bang very special kasi nakaabot kami ng 25 years. Kung noon, malaking difference in terms of organization. Mas marami nang sumusupport ngayon, not just the Philippine Export Federation, but also the Regional Development Council, and our 7 governors are supporting the trade fair. Aside from that, we also have other private partnership. No? Yung online platform na Sumago is supporting us. Nandun po yung aming, it's an e-commerce platform that showcases more than 100 MSMEs. Helps us promote the fair. We are also this time also we have also developed the products. No, meron kaming more than 700 MSMEs supported for product development para siguraduhin na bago sila sumabak dun sa likha, maganda na sila. We are also supported by Congressman of the Venecia, no, because sa creative industry, napasa na po yung batas. So we are being supported para maging magaganda, no, creative na. Kaya nga, likha po yung pangalan, yung brand ng ating trade fair. And also, we will be having more MSMEs, 165 po yan. Mas marami din po this time yung aming non-food. Kung dati, puro mga pagkain. Ngayon, marami din po yung mga non-food. Meron tayong mga jewelry, mga barong, saya, mga curtains, pangbahay, na pang decorations, mga handicrafts po, no, na magagamit at saka yung mga pamasko, pang regalo.
Yung second questions ko po, balik muna tayo. Si Sumago is ano po yung masasabi niyo that Sumago is a Chinese businessman that engaged in OTA?
Actually po, we were just, it is just one of the platforms that our MSMEs are using. It is only because it is new that, and it offered it's a partnership not to carry, to help us promote local products. But other than that, our MSMEs have different platforms. They're in Lazada, they're in Shopee, and other platforms. But since yun po ang nag-offer sa amin to carry, to promote, so we are welcoming the initiative to promote the products and their platforms. But it is not exclusive because kaya sila Ma'am Amanda, sila Ma'am Edeline, they're in every platform. And it's the Sumago initiative of our bosses is also well, it is a way, no, to put our MSMEs and train our MSMEs how to be in e-commerce, no. Isa po yan sa mahalagang training, lalo na ngayon nitong nakaraang pandemic, nalaman natin, no, yung pagbebenta hindi lamang physical, no, but also we need a platform at libre yan, no, libre for them. Well, there are arrangements between MSMEs and these platforms, but the promotion is free.
Then yung last questions ko po, dun sa mga food businesses po natin, curious lang po ako kung yung mga ibang product niyo po na walang baboy, kung certified halal, because we as Muslim, not only Muslim, but ngayon po ay multi-dollar billion industry na kung may halal certified, kung yung product niyo po ba, through coordination with the BPI, kung halal certified na po. Tapos kay Ma'am Edeline, personally, I tried po yung cashier nyo po sa mga malls, sa monumento, sa mga stall lang po, ay nabibili na siya, existing na siya, nakikita na po. Thank you.
Yung sa Amanda's po, meron po kami, HACCP certified and halal certified na kami. Sa Amanda's po.
Yung kay Ma'am Edeline.
Diba? Para sa pagkain lang yun. Halal.
Everything. Everything po. Food and non-food kailan. Pero yung sa amin po talaga is halal certified na.
Yung sa amin naman po, may CPR na, FDA, GMP, and then yung pong halal namin, under process na po ma'am.
Regine.